Well, it will need to be decided by leaders of the countries, by UCO, you know. At the moment, we perhaps need to look how to use those instruments which are available, like safe loans. That demand quite, rapid agreement on, if we are looking for some kind of joint procurement. So we need to do that very quickly because end of November is the last date when member states need to present their investment plans or joint investment plans. So that is one possibility. Next, what we need also to see, and we were talking about that, so-called EDIP program, European Defence Industry Program, regulation on that is coming. The last stages, I hope that concluding stages of trialogue negotiations are going on. Perhaps at the beginning of October, we hope that we shall finish then. EDIP really is bringing, first of all, new industrial policy instruments, like so-called European Defence Projects of Common Interest, DPCI, which would really allows, some kind of such regional projects to become really a project of common European interest, and that creates, some new possibilities. And also, very important is in EDIP also totally new legal idea, legal proposal, so-called SIAP, which difficult to even to remember all the words in structure of European armament program. SIAP, yeah, that's, But it allows to create, again, some kind of legal basis for member states who want to join into some kind of regional project, collective project. And that legal basis then allows, to have some very important benefits. For example, to have much more effective procurement system. That's what is important if we want, very rapidly to develop needed projects which will require procurements. It will allow also to have some benefits with exemption from VAT taxes and so on. Those are some possibilities which are coming with EDIP, but EDIP also is coming with new budget line, not very big. At the moment, 1.5 billion. We're still negotiating, and the European Parliament is very strong, demanded to have more financial resources in this program. We shall see how it will go. But definitely in UCO, I think that also the questions can be raised about the possibility to find some kind of new financial instruments, but that should be decided at that level.
Yeah. Well, nothing to add.
Okay. Then Reuters and there.